Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove or delete your Temu account, so let's get right into it. Now I'm going to be showing you this process for the web version. I'm not sure if the mobile version process is identical. It should be very similar. All you have to do is just go into your settings, go into your account security, and find the delete account button. Not sure if it's located in the same place on the mobile version as on the web version. However, they should be very similar and you shouldn't have a rough time following this tutorial. So what we need to do is we need to go into our account. So just go over here, hover over your account avatar, then scroll down until you get to account security, and then just click on that, and that'll take us to this here page. Once we're there, just scroll down, and as you can see, the bottom-most option is to delete your Temu account. Now, this is a permanent solution. There is no way of undoing your Temu account, and as you can see, you can submit a request to permanently delete your account, and if you proceed, Temu will delete the data and content in your account in accordance with applicable law as described in the privacy policy. So do go ahead and read through the privacy policy to make sure that all your data is deleted and what that entails. Now, this includes all your communication records, files, and images, and unused coupons and credits, which will no longer be usable after your account is deleted. So before you reset your account or delete it, make sure you spend them so that you don't waste anything yourself. After you are sure that you want to delete it, what you may want to do is review your account to confirm that all information can be deleted forever, and make sure to save any information which you might need before permanently deleting the account, because once you do, you will not be able to get it back. Then you need to check if there are no incomplete or post-sale orders or ongoing processes, as you will not have access to them after the account deletion, and you should use any available coupons and credits before deleting your account as to not waste them. Once you're done with that, just check off I want to permanently delete my Temu account, click continue, and follow all these steps, and your account will be deleted. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.